Good morning, students. Welcome to Bhartiyachari classes. So today we read past continuous tense. So tense set we are in from many videos we are doing tense set. So in past previous video we read about past simple past tense. So past tense are also in four types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. So simple past we have already read that the action, the habitual action in the past, okay, or truth or habitual action in the past is the simple past. So simple past continuous. What is past continuous tense? So past continuous tense is talk about an action that was going or continuing in a particular time in the past, okay. So a action which is going on or continuing for a particular time or a point of a time in the past is called past continuous tense. So what is the formula? So past continuous formula is the subject plus EJMR B forms past form, that is was and were. So subject was were plus V1 plus ing plus object, okay. So past continuous tense formula is subject B form EJMR's past form was were V1 ing plus object. So this formula is used while writing the past continuous tense. This is the formula, okay. So past continuous was said a particular action which is going on or continuing in the point of time in a past, okay. So first according to subject person wise we study. So first person, what? I subject. For I, what is the B form? Was, singular form was, suppose going, okay, to school. So I was going to school. What means in past time for many years I was going to school in particular point of time. So then is plural what? We means was will changes to plural were. We were going to school, okay. So if you change into negative, how will you change? I was not going to school, okay. So negative means I was not. Then here also we were not. Subject. So not means here again you add not. Was or were not, okay. For interrogative sentence what? The subject for interrogative sentence, the formula is was or were plus subject, okay. Was or were plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object, question mark, okay, for interrogative sentence. So suppose you change into interrogative sentence. Was I then going to school? So you must not forget to put question mark while writing interrogative sentence, otherwise it will be complete wrong, okay. For second person what? You were, not you was, you were going to school, okay. Then when you change into negative, were not, you were not going to school, okay. Interrogative what? Were you going to school? So for interrogative sentence, was where will go to first, okay. Then third person. So third person what? He, she, it. For he, she, it, For it, singular was. Okay, going to school. Negative, same, this much. Then was not. What you write? Was not going to school. Interrogative, was he going to school? Okay. Like this. Okay. The first person, second person, third person. So your formula is subject, was were, V1 plus ing plus object. Okay. So I was eating my food when my brother rushed into the room. So when my brother entered the room, I was eating my food. Means that time my eating work is not completed. So what I said, work is going on particular time. Next example, he was writing a letter when his mother knocked at the door. When his mother knocked at the door, she was shouting at the stranger when we arrived. So when we arrived, that time she was shouting at the stranger. So it is also example of past continuous tense. Okay. So here two sentences are combined. So we use past continuous by forming the past tense of the verb and ing form of the main verb. The past tense of the verb and ing form of the main verb. So it is what? Auxiliary verb. It is past tense of verb and ing form of the main verb. So go, play, sing, dance. These are the main verbs. The ing form: playing, dancing, singing, running, eating. All these. So ing form of the main verb and past form of the be form auxiliary verb will be used while writing the past continuous tense. Okay. So now past perfect tense. So in past perfect tense is used that the action completed before a certain past moment. So a certain past moment, a action is completed. Okay. So that is the past perfect tense. In past perfect tense we use subject formula, subject plus had. Okay. Past form of has or have, had plus V3 verb, past participle. Okay. Had plus V3 plus object. So it is the which action. So present perfect means action that is completed now, just completed, that is present perfect. The past perfect, that action completed just before a certain moment. Okay. So a certain moment that is completed is called past perfect tense. So your formula is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. So I had, you had, okay, we had, every for all subject means all persons it is the same had. So we apply this formula, past perfect tense formula, in different sentence person wise. So every person I said first person, then second person, third person, first person, I, we. So subject I, we, auxiliary verb is had, then V3 verb. V3 means suppose go, goes V3 verb gone. He, I, we had gone. Okay. Or played or danced. Like this V3 verb. So when we change it to negative sentence, it is I or we had not. Had not. Okay, negative had plus not. Then gone. Then interrogative sentence, had will come first. As usual other sentence, that is had I gone. Okay. Question mark. Okay. Then second person is you. Singular plural you. Same pattern, you had gone. Then negative, you had not gone. Okay. Question, had person also singular or plural. He, she, it, they had. He, she, it, they had gone. So auxiliary verb will not change with the person. Everywhere it is had. And main verb also it is V3 form or past participle form of the verb. So past perfect word, the work is completed before a certain point of time in the past. So this is past perfect tense. So now past perfect continuous. So in present perfect continuous, the work is started from time, but till now it is continued, not completed. That is present perfect continuous. So what is past perfect continuous? That is past perfect continuous or progressive is used for an action that is stayed over a period. Okay. In the past time, that means in the past time the work is continued for some period or some days or some years or some months or some days, like this. In the past, if a work is continued for over a period, then that is past perfect continuous or past perfect progressive. So his here formula is subject plus had, subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing. Like this, present perfect continuous word. Subject has or have plus been plus B1 plus ing. Verb ing form. But here what? The auxiliary verb has had. So present perfect has has, it is past form. Okay. The past form is used. Then with being and V1 plus ing, that is present perfect progressive. Okay. So suppose first person, same thing, not change. First, second, third person, it will not change. Suppose I had been going. Okay. Or we had been going. Okay. So if you change into negative, so negative means had plus ing, subject plus had plus not plus been plus V1 plus ing. When you change into negative, that means had not been. So I had not been going. Okay, like this. If you change into interrogative, just had will come first. Okay, had I been going. Okay, like this. Present, past perfect continuous tense. So the action state being, it is past and was continued till the then or that just stopped. Okay. Someone, so example, suppose someone had been plucking mangoes. Okay, so had been plucking. That means in certain period in before, someone continuously plucking the mangoes from a tree. Okay, then someone had plucked the mango. So what is the difference between past perfect and past perfect continuous? It is perfect continuous. But perfect, someone had plucked. What? Someone had plucked mangoes. So it is past perfect. Past perfect. What is past perfect continuous? Someone had been plucking means for period of time, someone plucking the mangoes for some years or some months or some days. But plucked means in past time, in once it plucked the mangoes. The work had completed at a point of time in the past. But it is a some time, means it is a certain period of time. It is point of time, it is period of time. Okay, that is the difference. Perfect is point of time. Continuous, perfect, continuous is a period of time. That is the just difference between the what present perfect and the perfect continuous. So already past tense completely 4 poems over. Just I revise little. So past tense, simple past, formula is the subject plus what? V2 for. Okay, V2 form, subject plus V2 plus object. It is simple past. Past progressive. Okay, subject plus was, were plus V1 plus ing plus subject. Okay, this is past progressive. Then past, just I remind you the formulas. Past perfect, what? Subject plus had plus P3 form, that is past participle form, ed, then object. Okay, so has have the past tense had and the past participle form of the main verb. Okay, then past perfect continuous, that is subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. So these 4 formulas remain. Okay, simple past, it is a general truth in the past form or general habituated in past. Past progressive is some work is going on in past time. Perfect work completed at perfect point of time, and perfect continuous means it is completed in a period of time in the past. Okay, so I hope you understood the past tense completely, the 4 forms of the past tense. In next video we will read future tense. Okay, so this is all about today's class. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.